How to send your first message on Google Chat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To send your first chat in your Google Chat, all you need to do is open up your Google Chat application. Now right over here at the bottom, you will see this plus sign icon bubble. You need to click on it. After which, you can create your very own space or browse for the spaces. Spaces are basically just like your group chat, in which you can add multiple of members for a professional discussion or a friendly hangout as well. If you want one-to-one conversation, all you need to do is basically search for the username of the person. Tap on the username, then select on Done. After which, you can type in a message. And just like that, you have sent your very own first message to the person in your Google Chat. Isn't it quick and simple? Now in the spaces, it will look something like this. Here you will add multiple of members in the space. Right here as well, you can send a message, sticker, emoticons and images as well. Wasn't it quick and easy? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.